Hi guys, Marcel here from the Little Fish in the Kitchen blog. I want to welcome you back to my kitchen. I want to welcome you back to my channel. I am popping on here today with a tasty recipe, a quick recipe for a low-carb breakfast stuffed bell pepper. And I call these breakfast stuffed bell peppers because I do use a scrambled egg filling for them. Normally I make these kind of vegetarian, and I would use like green onions and mushrooms and sliced cherry tomatoes, but today we're doing a slightly more caveman style hearty version that Evan will certainly love. But we had a lot of breakfast meat left over from our big Sunday breakfast this weekend, so I have crumbled up some breakfast sausage and some bacon, and we're going to do this a little heartier today. So let's have a look at the table and see what we need to put these breakfast stuffed bell peppers together. Okay guys, so here's everything we need to make our tasty low-carb breakfast stuffed bell peppers. I've got two good-sized red bell peppers here that I have rinsed and sliced in half. I've cleaned out their insides, I've seeded them, and they're going to be the perfect little edible bowl for our egg filling after we boil them for a few minutes. I've got about 4 crispy cooked slices of bacon here that I've crumbled down into bits. This is a half a cup of just regular pork breakfast sausage, which I've also crumbled into crumbles. And then these are 2 sliced green onions, and I will throw some of this in with the egg mixture as we cook it, and then I'll save some of it for garnishing the tops when they're all done. These are 3 large eggs that I've already mixed with some milk, that they're all scrambled up and ready to go. Salt and pepper mixed together. I will throw this in with the egg mixture as it cooks, and then once they're all done and we're stuffing the bell peppers with the egg mixture, I will top them with some cheese. I don't have it laid out just now, but there will be lots of cheese involved with this recipe. Alright, so let's get cooking. Okay guys, so here's our water. It's already boiling. We are going to take our bell pepper halves and put them into this water just for a few minutes. We're going to get them at a tender, crisp consistency, and that just takes a few minutes. Okay guys, well, our bell peppers are all done. They have cooked to a tender, crisp consistency. So we are going to take them over here now and let them drain on some paper towels just for a couple of minutes to get that excess water out of there. And we're going to go on and make our egg filling. Okay guys, so we already have some butter warming up in our small skillet here, so I'm just going to go kind of all in with everything here. We're going to have our sausage and our bacon, a handful of the green onions. Okay, so here we go with our scrambled eggs. Alright, well, our egg mixture is all done. It smells so amazing, you guys. Okay, so we are going to put our breakfast stuffed bell peppers all together now. Okay, well, it's time to get these peppers stuffed and ready to eat. I already kind of started without you here. We are putting our double meat egg filling into these cooked peppers now. We didn't totally, they're not completely cooked, they're just a little bit more of a tender, crisp texture. It'll be nicer to eat all together instead of them being super crispy in the uncooked state. So we are just gonna, I'm just gonna continue stuffing these peppers, and going to top them with cheese. And usually 3 eggs plus any add-ins you're going to put in here is absolutely perfect for 4 halves of your bell pepper for 2 complete bell peppers. And so out of 2 bell peppers, you'll get 4 servings. All right. So we're going to go ahead and top these with cheese. And normally the egg mixture would be hot enough to melt the cheese as you put it on, but I did kind of take a little intermission between the phases here. I had to go get some pictures for the actual blog post. So the egg mixture is cooled down, so I'm just going to pop these back into the microwave. Yes, the microwave, and we're going to melt this cheese. Okay guys, well, I reheated them, I zapped them in the microwave, and the cheese is all melted and good. I used a mixture of shredded American and mild cheddar to top these with. I'm going to go ahead and throw our green onions on here for a pretty little garnish. This is a meal you can make all of this ahead of time. You can boil the peppers, have your egg mixture pre-cooked, and this can be a really good, quick, throw together savory breakfast in the morning, and it won't take you any time to put this together, heat it up, and have a quick, super satisfying bite before you run out the door to work in the morning. Easy to make and delicious. Alright guys, well that's it. I do hope you enjoyed this recipe. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give me a thumbs up below if you did. Please subscribe and stick around. I've got more videos coming up very, very soon. I've got a whole bunch of things planned. I'm super excited about it. It'd be great to see you here. Don't forget to hit that little notification bell. That'll give you a notification every time I actually do get a new video uploaded here. Now I'm going to go find some salsa and enjoy one of those bell peppers. So I hope you guys have a great week, and I'll see you back here next time.